Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, December 8th, 2016. It's currently 9 a.m. and it's a bit chilly out there with temperatures in the lower to mid 30s along the coast and upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior. Colder air is on the way. We'll warm up into the mid 40s, but don't get used to it as temperatures will free fall later on this afternoon, with temperatures falling into the upper 20s to lower 30s by tomorrow morning. And yes, there will be a threat for a few snow showers and snow flurries today on through this upcoming weekend. So let's dive into this forecast. Currently on the radar, you can see a signature. A lot of this is not reaching the ground, but we do have what's called an upper level shortwave that's approaching the region along with an Arctic cold front. And that's going to lead to enhancement of this moisture being lifted and the potential for some rain snow showers changing over to snow showers. No accumulations expected, but definitely don't be surprised today on through this evening and continuing on through the next several days for the threat for snow flurries and snow showers to rotate through the region, especially as the lake effect gun machine starts to set up off of Lake Ontario and off of Lake Erie, transporting snow bands, initially impacting much of eastern New York and northwestern Pennsylvania with feet of snow, but eventually moving into our neck of the woods in the form of snow showers, especially over northeastern Pennsylvania, the Hudson River Valley, northwestern Connecticut, even northwestern New Jersey. Definitely watch out through this weekend for the potential for one of these snow showers to just kind of linger over the area and reduce your visibility. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see that enhancement of lifting starting to show up here over the northern Atlantic. And you have this short wave that's right about here, and that's associated with also an Arctic cold front that's on the way. And so that's leading to an enhancement of this moisture that is with the subtropical jet stream. So this is going to continue on through today, on through tomorrow, and then again we have the lake effect impact from the Lake Ontario and Lake Erie for this upcoming weekend. So let's dive into this forecast. For right now, again, you can see that Arctic cold front is on the way. By this afternoon, the Arctic cold front will move through. Again, watch out for a few rain and snow showers. Temperatures ahead of the cold front are expected to be in the mid 40s and then rapidly fall through the 40s into the 30s and towards the upper 20s to lower 30s by tomorrow morning as that cold air spills in. And again, watch out for the threat for a few snow showers and flurries on the way. For tomorrow afternoon, again, a threat for a few snow showers, but otherwise scattered clouds are expected. Temperatures will rise into the upper 30s to lower 40s for highs throughout the region. On Saturday, high pressure will generally be in control, but still watch out for these little short waves that are going to be rotating through the northern Atlantic, producing the threat for a few snow flurries and possibly even a brief snow squall. Temperatures will range from the mid 20s for lows and mid to upper 30s for highs. On Sunday, pretty much the same scenario. High pressure is going to be in place. Look for this high pressure system to shift north towards Quebec, and that's going to lead to basically winds starting to veer towards the northeast ahead of this low pressure system, which we're going to watch very carefully. Now, temperatures on Sunday will range from the mid to upper 20s for lows and mid to upper 30s for highs. This low pressure system is going to be rather tricky for Monday morning. Now, in this guidance here from the National Weather Service, it is showing this warm front pushing north pretty vigorously on Monday morning, with precipitation starting off with snow and eventually changing over to rain. However, I do have some doubts on the speed of this warm front and the ability for it to drag out and basically push out the Arctic air that will be in place ahead of this low pressure system. So something that I'm going to be keeping a very careful eye on is the evolution of this low pressure system, just how far north it gets before it has to redevelop off of the mid-Atlantic coast, and just how far north its warm front gets. Let's just put it to it this way. This precipitation will start off as light snow Sunday night into Monday morning. How fast it changes over to rain, if it does, is still pretty much in question, and we have to watch this very carefully. On Tuesday, high pressure will be in control. Now, again, on Monday, let me just backtrack for a second. We're looking at lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s, depending again on the track of this low pressure system. On Tuesday, high pressure will be in control. Another Arctic cold front will be on the way. Look for temperatures in the lower to mid 30s for lows and upper 30s to lower 40s for highs. On Wednesday, that Arctic cold front will blast through, and as a result, temperatures will be falling significantly throughout the day. Look for early morning highs in the mid-40s. And then temperatures falling through the 30s the rest of the day with the threat for scattered snow showers. It is going to be a chilly afternoon by Wednesday afternoon, and then on Thursday it gets even colder with Arctic air in place. And get these temperatures, along with the threat for a few snow flurries here and there. Low temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s, high temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Now that is cold. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA Weather. As always, thank you for being a member, and stay safe out there.